Hi everyone, today we'll discuss Frayer's method, Frayer model, Frayer. So it has four components. The number one is the definition. What is the definition? So we are taking the topic into our consideration is exponents. So exponents, definition of the exponent. So what is the definition of the exponent? The exponent of the power of a number tell how many times the base number is multiplied by itself. For example, 2 to the power of 3. That means 2 is 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So it is 8. Okay. That's the number 1. The number 2 is characteristics or property or key idea, whatever you call. So these are the few properties. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. When the bases are equal, add the powers. Any number raised to 0 is 1, but number should not be equal to 0. A to the power of minus m is 1 by a to the power of m. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. And a to the power of m whole to the power of m is a to the power of mn. This comes under these facts or properties. Then comes the third, the examples. Then comes the third, the examples. See the example. See the example. Examples comes under this. So example, bases are equal, add the power. Base 2 is there, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. That means 2 times, how many times? 2 is 5 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times. And 2 to the power of minus 2 is 1 by minus power is there. You see this one. This property. It goes with this property. 1 by 2 square, 2 into 2, 1 by 4. 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 2 square is 2 to the power of base is same. So subtract the exponent if they are in the quotient form. Denominator, numerator and denominator. You see, power whole to the power of a to the power of m whole to the power. This is the fifth one property. Then 3 times 3 is 9, 2 to the power of 9. Or 2 times 2, how many? It comes around, how much? I don't know, 5, 12 something. Okay, so this is the model. That means what? We have 4 components. The first, what is the definition? Second, the property. The third, we have to give the example. The fourth is non-examples. Fourth, we have to give the non-example. Here, 2 plus 3 equal to 5 is not an exponent form. 2 times 3 is 6 is not example. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 but not 6. A square minus b square is a plus b into a. So it is on. These are the few non-examples. So this is the Frayer's model. The advantages is it builds concepts for the students, and it is a visual and logical learners, and it spurs misconceptions what is what, and it develops a cooperative learning, and the students are actively engaged. Some disadvantages are there. It takes the times a lot, and it does not feel for all the types of the learners. Example for auditory people. So required foundation knowledge. The student should have knowledge to apply these things. And for this method to implement, the teachers need training. You should be expert to implement this. So in your subject. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.